Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another episode here on the Juice Footage Garage. I hope you guys enjoyed the previous episode where we upgraded our 95mm throttle body to a solar performance throttle body. But right now what I want to do, guys, is I want to do a little bit of cosmetic work to the car, you know, for good luck. So if you guys see here, this button here, it has a gold little trim around it.
You sure about that?
And it's black from the inside with white letters. So my previous Camaro had a chrome button there and kind of miss it. So we're gonna go ahead and put the chrome push start button on this car. All right guys, so what I have here is a package from Wild Hammer, and I got a couple of stuff for the Camaro. One of those things is this start button here. Let's go compare it to the Stalker. All right, check it out guys. So this is a ZL1, I believe. ZL1 and Corvette maybe, I don't know, or maybe like a higher end, like a 2SS engine start button. But yeah, it's like chrome in the middle with like glossy trim. So we're gonna go ahead and replace this guy. This one, when you plug it in, it actually lights up red. This one doesn't. This one just has white letters. See? Oh no, it actually doesn't. The white letters light up, but they light up orange. So see how it's kind of hard to see. It kind of has the white letters. So this should have the red letters. Let's go ahead and turn it off. Plastic wedges, and only plastic wedges. So I have a couple here. I don't know which one's gonna work the best. I like this one because it's really soft, so there's less chance of me marring the plastic. So in here, you're gonna follow this little line here. See, there's a little line. Not down here, guys. It's actually somewhere right here, like in the middle. So you're gonna follow this little groove, and then you're gonna find the little notch. And what I like to do here, I like to use my fingers to kind of pry it up a little bit, and then stick the wedge in there. Okay, because if you kind of just stick it in like that, you could scratch it. So try to have a little opening. Okay, and then you're just gonna push like up. There it goes. Okay, and there's gonna be two tabs. So the other one's like right around here. There it goes. All right, and then you pull this guy up. Ta-da! See the little tabs right here? So try to get in here right around this area here and just push up. And look, we did not do any damage. Okay guys, so in here there's actually two 7mm bolts. So you're gonna grab a 7mm. No way, it was already loose? Are you serious? Okay, well, you could take these out by hand. They're not even tight. Now we simply grab this thing and pull it out like that. Okay, just like that. You can kind of just let it hang, I suppose. Just careful not to damage it. It seems to be okay. All right guys, and then there's 1 and 2. Maybe this guy too, I don't know. No, I don't think so. I think this is just, I don't know, I think just this one and this one. We take out these bolts and we should be okay. Well, these are not even tight at all. That's that. All right, so now guys, what we could simply do here now is we're gonna go ahead and pry this off. See, and I want to say guys, I want to say go in there not scared, okay? Because, well, that's pretty good actually. Let me see, can I go a little more? I could go a little more. That's pretty good. Right. There it goes, cool. Ta-da. Okay guys, so I just literally pulled this off with my fingers. Okay, and down here, if you look at the factory button, this button here has these little clips here, guys. So in order to get that button off, you have to get your fingers in there and squeeze these little tabs. Just like that. You see that? So let's try, guys. Let's try. It's gonna be a little bit hard, but we can do it. Come on. All right, let's see here. Okay, I got one. And it looks like I got the second one. Come on, there it goes. Now that was easy. That was cake, guys. Okay, and then you pull this whole thing out, and well, now we simply unplug it. How do you unplug this thing? Oh, there's a little tab here. Push it in. Ta-da! There it is. All right, guys, and here's our button. So let's compare. That's our button now. And this is our button that we're going to replace to. Now, there's another little hack, guys, where you can actually change the trim. See how this is chrome on black? And this is black on chrome. You can actually make this one chrome on chrome. But you got to swap out this bezel over here. Okay, so to remove this bezel here, this little tab here, push down like this. And it comes right off. Yeah. Let me try again. There it goes. Ta-da! Okay. So now let's grab our new one that we just bought. We're gonna go ahead and push in and push in. Come on. There it goes. Okay. That's that. Okay. And really, there's only one way of putting it in because it has a little notch. So, ta-da! So, this actually looks pretty cool too, but this looks better, I think. Now we simply plug this thing back in, and it goes like this, I think. Yeah. All right. That's it. Ooh, that looks nice. And then you simply push it in. Ta-da! Ooh, that looks good. That looks hella good. Look at that, guys. So now we carefully put everything back, making sure that all our clips are back in. Okay. Oh no, I turned on the wipers. Okay, there we go. Perfect. Okay, guys, now this guy here. Oh no, we have to put our bolts back up there. Okay, so now we grab our bolts. Okay, that's one, that's two, and we're just gonna do hand tight because that's what it had before, and I don't want to do anything more than that because I have a feeling that it's gonna break. So I'm gonna do, I guess I could use my little ratchet. Just a little bit. So now take note on these little holes here. This is where this guy goes in. Okay, slide it in. Okay, just like that. That wasn't too bad. Okay, grab our bolts. I think this is going to be the hard part. Okay guys, so we got our extension here. And what we're going to try to do here is try to fish it in the hole here. I got it. Okay, that's one. Okay, let's try to fish in the second one. Now we reinstall this. These little tabs go in those little holes. So you just kind of position it in place. What the hell? There it goes. Cool. Push it in. All right, make sure everything's in there. We don't want no squeaks. That's perfect. All right, guys. All right, guys. Well, what do you guys think? We replaced this one with that one, and now this one lights up. Now this one's chrome, and it lights up red. Pretty cool, huh? Well, that was a little mod, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Later, guys.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still